guys, today we're going to be learning how to play Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis Presley on ukulele. We are going to be learning the 21 Pilots version of this song because y'all know how much I love 21 Pilots and it sounds amazing on the ukulele. There's 8 chords that you need to know for this song and they're all pretty easy. There is one bar chord, but we're not going to use it that much, so don't get too stressed out about it because with practice, you will get it. Really quick, I'm going to highlight the ukulele that I'm playing today. It's a concert size from Ohana and it's the CK70WG. The super cool thing about this ukulele is the wood that it's made of. It has spruce on the top and then the back and sides, really pretty wood. I love it. Let's go ahead and jump right into the chords that we need. The first chord that you're gonna need is a C major. The next chord is an E minor. Then an A minor. An F chord, a G, then there's a B7. This is the only bar chord, and if you don't get it the first time, don't get discouraged, just keep on trying. An A7, and last we have a D minor. And those are the only chords that you need, so now we can move into strumming patterns. I'm gonna start off by showing you the one strumming pattern that Tyler uses for the entire song. It's gonna be down, down, up, down, up. For the most part, you do that once on each chord, but there are gonna be some chords in there where you do the strumming pattern twice on it. With that strumming pattern being established, I do wanna let you guys know that you can use single down strums and it'll sound great. Here's the progression for the verses. I'm first gonna go through that with single down strums, so pay attention where the chord switches on each word, and then you'll just do a single down strum. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. For verse 1, you would repeat that progression again and do the same thing that I just showed you. Now for the other strumming pattern. If you're wanting to do the intro like Tyler does, he just starts on the C chord, which is the first chord in the progression, and he strums that a couple times and then goes into the first verse. If you're gonna do that one strumming pattern, it's gonna be down, down, up, and then maybe strum it like another time or another 2 times, however long you want to make the intro. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then once you're ready to go into the first verse, this is how you're going to strum through the progression. So starting on the C, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. On that first line, you probably noticed for the A minor and the G, I went through the strumming pattern twice. So those 2 chords you are going to be on a bit longer than the other ones. Now for the next line. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then that last C chord, you're also going to go through the pattern twice. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? The nice thing about this song is it's just broken up into 2 parts. It's the verses and then the chorus. Or I think it might actually be called the bridge, but that doesn't make too much of a difference. It's just the 2 parts that you have to know. So here's the next part. For the bridge, you're gonna do E minor, B7, and you're gonna do that a total of 3 times, and then you're going to go into your A7, D minor, and then G. And that's all it is for that part. It's gonna sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Then you go into your next chord, and you're gonna do it twice on the A7. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Twice on the A7, once on the D minor, and once on the G. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hands, take my whole life too, 'cause I can't help falling in love with you. That was the second verse, and you'll notice that it was the exact same thing that you did for verse 1, except for you only go through the progression one time instead of 2 times. Then you would go back into the bridge / chorus / whatever you want to call it. Next, you're gonna go right into verse 3, which is where you finish the song. This is the same thing that you've been doing before, except for it is a tiny bit different because you run through the progression once for the verses, but then you take the last line and repeat it again to finish off the song. I'll go ahead and give the example. Take my hand, take my whole life too, 'cause I can't help falling in love with you, 'cause I can't help falling in love with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial helped you. If it did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye.